Welcome to my best smartphone hacks for 2020. At number 1 we have a DIY smartphone tripod using a plastic cup. First thing you need is a plastic cup. Measure your smartphone and draw the lines. Now cut these lines out, making sure that you make 2 squares on each side. For number 2, we have the same cup, but if you have your smartphone facing you, it acts like a phone stand. Next up is a DIY nightlight or lamp. Turn your flashlight on and have the smartphone's display facing the flat surface. Then place a plastic water bottle or glass cup on your smartphone's flashlight. The next hack is basically slipping $5 to $10 in your phone case. In case of an emergency, if you forgot your wallet somewhere, you would be rest assured that you have $10 with you. Next up is using your glasses as a phone stand. You simply close them and put your smartphone on them.